Mastermark Terrace Board provides a textured wood-grained look to your landscape design, is easy to install, and perfect for making borders around planting beds. Before beginning installation, uncoil your terrace board and allow it to remain in the sun. This will help straighten out the edging prior to installation, increase the flexibility needed for curved designs, and decrease the chances of kinking. Mastermark Terrace Board can be used in areas that have yet to be landscaped or used to replace existing landscaping. Begin by prepping the area by digging a trench for the edging and removing any existing dirt, rocks, or mulch as needed. Position the terrace board along the path of your design to ensure proper length is available. Use a hose or rope to help determine the path of your design. Use the Mastermark Terrace Board landscaping stakes to secure the edging to the ground. Stakes should be placed at least every 4 feet, with additional stakes at each end. You may need to use a soft rubber mallet if your soil is too dense. Cut your terrace board to the necessary length with a heavy-duty garden shears or hacksaw. To connect 2 pieces of terrace board, simply overlap the 2 pieces and secure with a landscape stake. Fill the inside of your landscape bed with rock or mulch as per your design. For more information about Mastermark lawn and garden products, visit mastermark.com.